Welcome back to the channel. If you're a coin collector, or even just someone interested in the value of rare and unique coins, you're in the right place today. We're diving deep into the world of UK pence coins, specifically the 1973, 1976, 2000, and 2006 issues, and exploring how their values have changed over time, depending on mint marks, conditions, and more. So grab your magnifying glass and let's take a closer look at these fascinating pieces of history. Let's go. First up, we're diving into the world of the United Kingdom's 50 pence coin from 1973, one that's known for its distinctive features and rarity, especially when it comes to its condition and minting details. But is this coin worth more than just a quick glance? Let's find out. Stay tuned to discover its surprising value today. Let's start with some quick background. The 50 pence coin, commonly known as the 50 pence in the UK, was first introduced in 1969, and over the years it has gone through various design changes. The coin we're focusing on today is the 1973 version. Now, 1973 was a crucial year in British numismatic history. This coin features a design by the renowned artist Arnold Machen, who also designed the famous portrait of Queen Elizabeth II that appeared on many British coins. One of the most notable aspects of the 1973 50 pence coin is that it was minted in preparation for the UK's entry into the European Economic Community, or EEC, which occurred later that year. It's a piece of history. Here's where things get interesting. The 1973 50 pence coin without a mint mark. The mint mark is usually located on the reverse side of the coin, near the lower part. For most British coins, a mint mark signifies where the coin was produced. In this case, we're talking about a coin from the Royal Mint, but the lack of a mint mark makes it a bit more intriguing. Now, let's talk about condition. You might have a 50 pence coin from 1973, but the state it's in plays a huge role in its current value. Coins that have been well preserved are often the ones that fetch higher prices in the market. Bad condition. Well, this can significantly reduce a coin's value. But don't count it out just yet. Even coins in poor condition still have some value, especially if they're rare or significant in some way. So, how much is this 1973 50 pence coin worth today? If you have one in mint condition or near mint condition, you might be looking at a value of around $1,500. On auction sites like eBay or at coin fairs, you may see them sell for a little over their face value, usually about $20,000 to $100,000 or slightly less, depending on the level of wear and tear. The market for bad condition coins is still active, but they won't fetch the kind of prices their mint condition counterparts can. But, and here's the exciting part, some collectors are willing to pay more for coins with historical significance, even if they're not in perfect condition. A particularly rare find or one with a historical background could fetch higher bids, sometimes reaching $2,100,000 or more in certain circumstances. But they do have a legacy as part of the British numismatic history, and if you come across one in great condition, it might be worth holding on to for a few years. Coin values fluctuate, and sometimes rare coins that are hard to find can appreciate in price. Next up today, we'll be diving into an intriguing piece of British currency, the 1976 United Kingdom 50 Newpence coin, particularly one without a mint mark. Even in bad condition, this coin is making waves in the collector's market. Stick around to find out how much it could be worth in dollars today. 50 Newpence coin was introduced in 1969 as part of the decimalization of British currency. It was a groundbreaking design, heptagonal in shape, and made of cupronickel. 1976, it was already a familiar sight in the UK, featuring the image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and Britannia on the reverse. Here's where things get interesting. While most coins have a mint mark indicating where they were struck, some 1976 50 pence coins were minted without any mark at all. These anomalies have become highly sought after by collectors. So why are these coins so special? The absence of a mint mark typically indicates an unusual or rare production run. This could be due to a mistake at the Royal Mint or intentional variations that were not meant for public release. Collectors love these rare finds because they tell a unique story and add an element of mystery to their collections. Now let's talk about condition. Any collectible, the condition of a coin impacts its value. But here's the catch. Even if your 1976 50 Newpence coin is in bad condition, it can still fetch a surprising price if it lacks a mint mark. Why? Because rarity often outweighs condition in the eyes of collectors. Currently, a 1976 50 pence coin without a mint mark in poor condition can sell for $200,000. Coins in fair condition might range from $2,500,000, and in exceptional cases, pristine examples have fetched upwards of $300,000 or more. Exact value depends on demand and the story behind the coin. If you've got a collection of old coins, it's time to dig them out and take a closer look. A magnifying glass or a high-resolution camera to inspect the area where the mint mark would typically be. UK coins, this is usually near the bottom of the reverse design. If there's no mint mark, congratulations, you might have a rare gem on your hands. Several places to sell your coin. Online marketplaces like eBay are a great starting point. You can compare listings to see what similar coins are selling for. Also consider reaching out to coin dealers or auction houses specializing in rare coins. Next up today, we're going to dive into the story of a fascinating piece of British numismatic history, the 2006 United Kingdom 50 pence coin with the IRB Mintmark. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just curious about coin values, this video is for you. 2006 UK 50 pence coin is part of the larger decimal series introduced in 1969. However, what makes this specific coin stand out is the tiny IRB Mintmark, representing Ian Rank Broadley, the renowned sculptor who designed the coin's obverse portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The standard 50 pence coin is common in circulation. This variant with the IRB Mintmark was part of a limited run. Were issued primarily in collector sets rather than for general circulation, making them rare and highly sought after by enthusiasts. So, how much is this coin worth today? Fine condition, the 2006 50 pence with IRB Mintmark coin can fetch anywhere from $20,000 on platforms like eBay, depending on the collector's demand. Near mint or uncirculated condition, the value can rise dramatically, reaching up to $2,500,000 or more at auctions or specialty numismatic shops. Lucky enough to have this coin, here are a few tips to determine its authenticity and condition. The appeal of the 2006 50 pence with IRB Mintmark coin lies in its combination of rarity and historical significance. With Queen Elizabeth II's portrait by Ian Rank Broadley being iconic, this coin represents a key moment in UK minting history. You're holding on to one or dreaming of adding it to your collection, the 2006 United Kingdom 50 pence with IRB Mintmark coin is a true treasure in the world of numismatics. Next up, we are going to take a close look at an incredible coin, the United Kingdom 10 Newpence coin from the year 2000 with the IRB Mintmark. If you are into rare and valuable coins, this one might be on your radar, and it could surprise you with its market value today. So, let's discuss how much this coin is worth right now in the market. First, let's set the stage with some context about the United Kingdom's 10 Newpence coin. The Newpence coin was first introduced in 1968, after the UK transitioned from the old pre-decimal currency system to the new decimal system. It was designed by the British artist Christopher Ironside and featured a classic design of a crowned lion. However, the 10 Newpence coin underwent some changes over the years. By 2000, the reverse design of the coin was updated to reflect a more modern look. The coin features the date 2000 and the iconic 10 in large numerals. What makes the 2000 version of the 10 Newpence coin particularly interesting is the appearance of the IRB Mintmark. IRB Mintmark stands for Ian Rank Broadley, the designer of the obverse front of the coin. Ian Rank Broadley is known for his modern portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, which first appeared on British coins in 1998. This design replaced the previous portrait by Raphael Maklouf. When we discuss coin value, condition plays a massive role. Coins are graded based on their wear and tear, and the higher the condition, the more valuable the coin can be. The grading scale typically goes from poor all the way up to perfect, with extra fine being one of the higher grades. The value of a coin like the 10 Newpence from 2000 can vary based on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand from collectors. While the face value of the coin is just 10 pence, its collector value can be much higher, especially when the coin is in extra fine condition and has the IRB Mintmark. Pence top silver price is often $900,000. As of today, an extra fine condition 10 Newpence coin from 2000 with the IRB Mintmark can fetch around $2,100,000 in the market, depending on the specific auction, collector interest, and where it's being sold. If the coin is sold through a reputable dealer or at a numismatic auction, it could go for a little more, especially if the coin is being sold with other sought-after UK coins. It's important to note that if the coin is in higher grades, such as uncirculated or proof condition, its value could skyrocket to much higher levels, easily reaching $2,500,000 or more. You're wondering, why is a 10 pence coin worth so much more than its face value? Well, the value of this particular coin is influenced by a couple of factors. Vintage. The 10 Newpence coin was only produced for a short time in the late 20th century, and the 2000 issue is particularly special. The IRB Mintmark. Coins with the IRB Mintmark are often sought after by collectors because they represent a particular period of UK coinage and signify the transition to a new royal portrait. Interest from collectors. The 10 Newpence coin is considered a collectible item for anyone interested in British currency, especially due to the historical context of the decimalization of the currency and the change in the Queen's portrait design. Coin auctions. Auctions are a great way to find buyers who are willing to pay top dollar for rare and valuable coins. Websites like eBay, heritage auctions, or even specialized UK coin auction houses might be places to watch for competitive bids. So there you have it, coin enthusiasts. The 2000 United Kingdom 10 Newpence coin with the IRB Mintmark is certainly a piece worth keeping an eye on in the numismatic world. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on valuable coins, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications for future content. Feel free to drop a comment below if you own one of these coins or have any questions about its value or history. Until next time, happy collecting.